Bass line, melody, and harmony. And one particular, and I write, compose, I arrange, I transpose, I transcribe music by ear. So I could transpose from one key to another. I could arrange by ear. I could arrange to tabs or sheet music. I can also arrange again, I'm not a professional. I'm not an expert. I'm an amateur at best. And I'm not a musician in the strictest sense. I'm more of like a hobbyist or more of like a research scientist approach to music. And I want to arrange a song and discuss three fundamental elements, building blocks of an arrangement.
You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the song propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation?
Equilibrium between the crest and the trough. And to me, music from a physics perspective is quite a fascinating phenomenon. But the whole objective of this video is not to discuss the physics of sound, but get into the actual, the theoretical